Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. In today's video, I will show you how to customize fabric tote bags using 3 types of iron-on vinyl. I will customize 3 Halloween tote bags. I will be using regular 3D puff and 3D puff glow-in-the-dark iron-on vinyl. For this project, I will be using my Cricut Maker machine. SVG or PNG designs. I prefer the SVG format because they come in layers. There are several online sites where you can buy beautiful designs. I love Creative Fabrica. They offer a huge variety of pretty and creative designs, and they also have a lot of freebies to download. If you visit my blog, you will be able to find a large variety of beautiful free designs that you can download. The heat transfer vinyl of your choice. The regular iron-on vinyl that I will be using for the first customization is from ASAP. I love the ASAP heat transfer vinyl because it's very easy to weed. For the second customization, I will be using Yamation 3D Puff HTV. They offer a variety of beautiful colors to choose from. And for the last customization, I will be using Ahijoy 3D Puff glow-in-the-dark heat transfer vinyl. They also offer reflective iron-on vinyl. To press the design, you will need a regular iron, an easy press, or a heat press machine. I will be using the PYD Life Combo Heat Press Machine. This machine comes with a hot press, and you can also connect more heating attachments like the ones showing on the screen. Those are sold separately. Fabric tote bags, you may order those on Amazon or any other store, but if you like to sew, you may sew your own. I sewed these ones and I made a tutorial and free pattern for you. Find the tutorial on my YouTube channel and the free pattern on my blog. Also, you're going to need butcher paper and heat tape. I will link all the supplies, designs, patterns, and sewing tutorial in the video description below. I'm going to start with the tutorial, but before, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. I'm going to start working with the designs in the Cricut Design Space program. First, I'm going to show you how to upload an image to the Cricut canvas. Go to Upload, Upload Image, Browse, open the folder where you have your image, select it, and open it. This image is in SVG format. It comes in layers. If you like this design, you may download it from my blog. It's free. Click on Upload. Now you already have it on the Cricut gallery. Select it and click on Add to Canvas. Now select it and click on Ungroup. Now you will be able to select each layer. This one has 2 layers. I'm going to erase the orange layer since I'm going to be using only the black layer. I'm going to select it and I'm going to resize it. This image is going to be 8.5 by 9.5 inches. This one is ready. I'm going to place it aside and I'm going to show you how to insert text. Click on the T and start typing on the canvas. I'm going to work on the name that I'm going to be placing on one of the tote bags. Now, if you wish to change the font, go to Fonts. If you have the Cricut membership, click on Cricut. If you don't, click on System. I'm going to click on System. Here is the list of all the fonts that I have downloaded to my computer. Scroll down until you find the font of your liking. I like this one. This one is called The Spirit. I'm going to link it in the video description below. Now I'm going to go to Operations and change the color. I'm going to use black because I'm going to cut it in black iron-on vinyl. Now I'm going to resize it. Now I'm going to select the text, click on Combine, and then click on Weld. The designs are ready. I'm going to go ahead and send the designs to be cut. I normally send all the designs at once, but this time I'm going to send them one by one. I'm going to select the ones that I'm not going to cut yet, and I'm going to hide them by clicking on the eye on the right. I'm going to cut the name first. This one is going to be cut on regular iron-on vinyl. Click on Make It. Now here we're going to click on Mirror. Every time we are cutting iron-on vinyl, we need to select Mirror Mode and click Continue. Now here we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. In this case, that I'm going to cut regular iron-on, I'm going to select iron-on, everyday iron-on. And let's go to the machine. For this customization, I'm going to be using a SAV heat transfer vinyl. Place matte side facing up. To cut the designs, I am using my Cricut Maker machine. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the design using the 3D Puff HTV. Let's go Make It. Click on Mirror. Now select the other layer and click on Mirror. Continue. Now here we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. I know that we are cutting 3D Puff iron-on vinyl, but still we're going to select iron-on, everyday iron-on. Now for this cut, I'm going to be using Yamation 3D Puff HTV. They have a variety of beautiful colors to choose from. Place the matte side facing up. Now we're going to do the same process to cut the last design. Remember to select everyday iron-on. Now to cut this design, I'm going to be using Ahijoy 3D Puff Glow in the Dark HTV. Matte side facing up. Now I'm going to wet the iron-on vinyl. And here are the designs ready to be pressed on the tote bags. If the design is not sticking to the fabric, you can always secure it using heat-resistant tape. This design is going to be pressed at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. Place a piece of butcher paper on top before pressing. I'm going to be using BYD Light butcher paper for sublimation. Adjust the pressure if you need. It's ready. Let's see how it turned out. It's beautiful. I love this vinyl. This is the A-Sub regular vinyl. Now I'm going to go ahead and press the 3D puff vinyl. Place a piece of butcher paper on top before pressing. And this one is going to be pressed at 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. And it's ready. Now I'm going to place the second layer. Before pressing, I'm going to place the film that I removed from the first layer. Then I'm going to place a piece of butcher paper and press at the same temperature and time, 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. And let's reveal the design. I love the 3D puff vinyls. They look unique and different. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on the camera, but believe me, it looks beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead and press the last design. This is the Ahijoy 3D puff glow in the dark vinyl. This is going to be beautiful. I think the kids will love this design. This design is going to be pressed at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. Let's see how it turned out. This is also 3D puff vinyl. This one is not so puffy, but it still looks beautiful. And it glows in the dark. I think it's pretty cool. Believe me, the kids will love this glow in the dark design. I'm going to show you how it looks. It's perfect for Halloween. I think these designs will also look beautiful on t-shirts. Remember to download the free design from my blog. I'm going to link it in the video description below. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to customize fabric tote bags using 3 types of iron-on vinyl: regular, 3D puff, and 3D puff glow-in-the-dark iron-on vinyl. And remember to look for my tutorial where I show you how to sew these beautiful tote bags. I'm going to link all of the supplies, designs, and fonts used in this tutorial in the video description below. And please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.